Good day, everyone. We are here to present our findings on the historical research materials available at the Butuan Doctors College Library and the limitations of accessing other libraries in Butuan City. My name is Delia Elaine Balaan from BSN 1 sections. Let's begin with what historical materials or records are available at the BDC Library. The library holds significant historical resources such as the history of Agusan del Norte, Mindanao portraits, Jesuit missionary letters from Mindanao, and Mindanao ethnohistory beyond the nations by Shinzo Hayase. There are also local archaeologic records like animal remains from Balanghay and collections like Butuan at 50 and Land of Unfulfilled Promise, which details the Butuan's historical journey.
When using images or references from external libraries, it's important to ensure proper attribution and credibility. We can do this by always citing the complete source, author, title, publication year, and institution. For photos, we should include image credits and the owner or archive. Following academic citation styles like APA or Chicago also helps to maintain the professionalism and reliability.
There are several challenges in conducting historical research at archives in Butuan City. Since access is restricted to only the BDC Library, we can't physically examine materials from other libraries. Also, there may be limited digitization, outdated records, or language barriers with older text. These limitations affect the depth and scope of our research.
Hi everyone, I am Galo Jr. Butuan City has a unique archival collections. Examples include materials on the first mass in Masang and findings from the Balaan archaeological sites. This collection enrich our understanding of the Philippine history by shedding light on early trade, religion, and indigenous culture in Mindanao. They provide context to the broader national history often centered in Luzon.
In terms of accessibility, the BDC Library offers a quiet space for on-site research. However, access to digitized materials or online database is still limited. This means that researchers may face challenges if they are working remotely or need digital copies. To conclude, despite limitation in access and digitization, the BDC Library provides a rich collection of historical materials that help preserve and promote the heritage of Butuan and the border Mindanao region.
The library staff at BDC are generally helpful and have a good understanding of the materials available. They assist researchers in locating books, navigating the catalog system, and providing guidance about the control of the documents. However, support may vary depending on the complexity of your topic and the staff's availability.
Assessing sensitive or restricted materials involve specific procedure. Usually, researcher must request permission through a format letter or appointment. Some materials may only be viewed inside the library under supervision, and reproduction might be limited or not allowed at all. These policies are placed to preserve delicate or rare documents.